You find a beautiful used car at a great price. It looks clean. The seller seems friendly. Everything feels perfect. Until expensive problems start showing up a few weeks later. And the funny thing is, most of those expensive mistakes happen before you even drive the car home. Here's the thing, buying a used car doesn't have to be risky. You don't need to be a mechanic. You just need to know what to inspect before handing over your money and what red flags to walk away from. Now, no inspection can guarantee a perfect vehicle. But a careful inspection can save you thousands. Many used cars out there are excellent purchases when they're checked the right way. If you enjoy practical car buying advice that saves money, subscribe to the channel. We post simple guides like this every week. So let's begin with what to actually do when you show up. Start with a complete visual inspection. Walk slowly around the car. Look for rust near the wheel wells and under the doors. Check for dents, uneven paint, and odd gaps between body panels. If the panels don't line up properly, that's often a sign of past accident repairs. Don't forget the windshield. A cracked windshield tells you a lot about how the previous owner treated the car. This next check is one many buyers completely forget. Pop the hood and look at the fluids. Check the engine oil. It should be dark amber, not black sludge. Look at the coolant, the transmission fluid, the brake fluid. Look underneath for leaks. A few drops are normal, pools underneath are not. Then there's the paper trail. Always review the vehicle history. Ask for accident records, service receipts, and the title. If the mileage doesn't match the maintenance records, that's a serious warning. Most sellers won't mention this unless you ask. And while you're asking, ask the right questions. Why is the owner selling? How many previous owners? What repairs were done recently? Has the maintenance schedule been followed? That might seem awkward, but it's completely reasonable. A private seller should expect it. Now, to be fair, not every seller is trying to hide something. Many honest people just want a clean sale. The good news is, a few extra minutes of questions can prevent years of regret. Before we go further, have you ever bought a used car that turned into a nightmare? Share your experience in the comments. Now let's talk about the test drive. This is where a lot of buyers rush. They go around the block, the car feels fine, and they buy it. That's a mistake. Drive for at least 20 minutes if you can. Test the steering, the brakes, and the suspension. And this is where many buyers make an expensive mistake. Don't test drive with the radio blasting. You need to actually hear the engine, the transmission, and the brakes. A shiny car isn't always a good car. Now let's talk about what not to do. Don't rush into buying. The moment you feel pressure, slow down. Walking away is sometimes the smartest decision you can make. Don't ignore warning signs. Dashboard lights leaking fluids, smoke, strange ticking sounds. Your car is telling you something. Listen to it. Don't buy without seeing the car in person. Photos can hide a lot, including rust under the rocker panels or a soft brake pedal. Don't ignore your instincts. If something feels off, that's usually worth taking seriously. And don't trust verbal promises without receipts. A few more quick checks worth your time. Look at the tires. Uneven wear usually means alignment or suspension problems. Verify the VIN on the dashboard matches the paperwork. Check a cold engine when you first arrive, not after the seller has warmed it up for you. Test every light, including the turn signals and brake lights. Turn on the air conditioning and make sure it blows cold. If you find any issues during the inspection, use them to negotiate. Worn tires, a faulty AC compressor, an overdue brake job. Those are real things that affect price. When meeting a private seller, choose a safe public location. And if the car is more expensive, consider paying an independent mechanic for a pre-purchase inspection. It usually costs $100 or $200 and can save you thousands. Let me quickly run through some common mistakes. Buying emotionally. Falling for the look and the smell of a fresh detail. Focusing only on appearance. Ignoring paperwork. Skipping the test drive. Trusting verbal promises. Not comparing similar listings online. Forgetting future repair costs. And buying the first car you see. The smarter approach is slow, patient, and methodical. Take your time. Compare a few options. Never feel rushed. A good used car isn't found by luck. It's found through patience, careful inspection, and asking the right questions. Take your time. Trust the evidence. And never feel pressured into buying a car that doesn't feel right. Subscribe for more simple car buying guides, maintenance tips, and driving advice. We'll see you in the next one.